Welcome everybody. This is our Algebra 2 MRS22 Spring 2021 test number 2 review question number 1. And so we're going to do a video for each question. Again, I hope these are helpful when it comes time to prepare for your exam, and that, in this case, that you guys, will be able to see how the questions are performed and do the best you can. All right, so question number 1. Write an expression that is equivalent to summation or sigma from n1 to 4 of a minus n squared. Now, in these situations, what we're really doing for summation problems is we're plugging in the integers starting with the lower limit, which is 1, and ending with the upper limit, which is 4. And so what we're really doing here is we're just kind of plugging in the numbers in each case. Now, since we see the index as n, we're only plugging into n. We're leaving a by itself. And so here, when we plug in, we got to list them all out first. That's really the key thing. You got to list them all out first, and then we'll combine them afterwards. So when we plug in 1, it'll be a minus 1 squared plus, and now our next number is 2, because again, using the integers are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, a minus 2 squared, again, only for n, not for a, plus parenthesis a minus 3 squared, plus parenthesis a minus 4 squared. And so here we have this all written out, and so now at this point I want you to expand everything, and so a minus 1 squared will be a minus 1 times a minus 1 plus a minus 2 times a minus 2 plus a minus 3 times a minus 3 plus a minus 4 times a minus 4. Now here we're going to multiply it. We'll use our skills we learned from before about multiplying polynomials, and so we'll distribute. We will get, in this case, we should in the end get a squared minus 2a plus 1 for the first one, plus a squared minus 4a plus 4 for the second one, plus a squared minus 6a plus 9 for the third one, plus a squared minus 8a plus 16. Now, I'm not going to show all the steps of multiplying, because in this case, that's for another lesson that we watched before of how to distribute polynomials using a box method and such. So you can definitely go back and watch that. Now, to combine all these, I like listing them vertically. So I have, again, a squared minus 2a plus 1. Be very careful to make sure you're copying down all the information correctly, because it's very easy under a lot of stressful conditions to write down the wrong thing. Okay, so you take a look and make sure you copied everything down. Now, why do I do this vertically? Mainly because, when I learn to add downwards. So that's just me. And so we can add all, and notice how all the like terms are stacked up into the same column, so I don't have to worry about, possibly mixing up, combining unlike terms in this case. So add 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16, I get, well, I know that 4 plus 16 is 20, and 1 plus 9 is 10, so I get plus 30. Okay? And then I know I got negative 2 plus negative 8 is negative 10. And then also negative 4 plus negative 6 is negative 10. So I'm going to get, in this case, negative 20. So negative 10 plus negative 10 is negative 20, negative 20a. And then a squared plus a squared plus a squared plus a squared is 4a squared, because all these are 1, and I'm adding up the coefficients. And so the final answer in this case will be 4a squared minus 20a plus 30. And that's what I'm looking for. You're going to have to expand everything and, write everything out. Okay. And this will be the end of our first video for question number 1 of our Algebra 2 MRS22 Spring 2021 test number 2 test review question number 1. And I hope if this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel to make sure you catch, catch videos on our that come up and basically turn on notifications so that when you'll be alerted when new notifications are turned on, or new videos come to the channel. Oh, sorry about that. And again, also leave comments if you're unsure. Like, well, how do you get a-1 to a-1 to a squared minus 1? I would say like FOIL, distributed method, all right, or box method in this case. And so you'll have to go back and consult some of the other videos we have from previous lessons. Okay. Otherwise, in this case, the summation problems is just kind of writing everything out and changing the n values or whatever the index is. You're focusing on this letter here, all right? That's what's being changed or plugged in, not anything else, okay? And notice that the A stands by itself. All right, everybody. Hopefully, I hope this helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and be safe.